Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I believe is the best black spandex jumpsuit for women on the market right now. The Sunzel long-sleeve jumpsuit. If you're looking for a versatile, comfortable, and stylish one-piece that seamlessly blends fashion with function, this might just be the perfect fit for you. Right from the start, this jumpsuit impresses with its smart collared design and a convenient front zipper that adds a modern, sleek look. Whether you're heading out casually or dressing it up for a night out, the zipper front gives you that effortless style while making it easy to put on and take off. One standout feature is the long sleeves with thumb holes. This design detail not only keeps your sleeves securely in place, but also adds an extra touch of comfort and style, especially when you want to keep your hands a bit warmer or need that sporty edge during workouts. The fabric is a blend of 85% polyamide and 15% elastane, giving it a ribbed texture that feels soft yet durable. The stretchiness is impressive, providing freedom of movement without feeling restrictive. It hugs your body in a flattering, legging-inspired fit that shapes and supports thanks to its compression rib detailing. This means it offers subtle shaping without squeezing too tight, perfect for activities like yoga, workouts, or just lounging around with style. In terms of fit, the jumpsuit comes in multiple sizes and inseam lengths, so you can choose what suits your height and body shape best. The fabric and cut work together to offer a snug but flexible wear that moves with you throughout the day. Caring for this jumpsuit is straightforward. It's recommended to hand wash only, preserving the fabric's quality and elasticity over time. It's also imported, reflecting a focus on quality construction and materials. Overall, the Sunzel long-sleeve jumpsuit stands out for its combination of fashion-forward design and practical features. From the ribbed fabric and compression fit to the thumbhole sleeves and front zipper, it's a versatile piece that can transition from casual wear to workout gear with ease. If you want a jumpsuit that looks great, feels great, and performs well, this one deserves serious consideration. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest reviews. See you in the next video.